Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by and hanging out for a little while. If you're new, I appreciate you stopping by and seeing what we got going on. If you've been here a while, I appreciate you coming back. We're going to take advantage of some dry, warm weather here around the farm and do some wood yard cleanup. It's been several weeks of rain, snow, cold, and we finally got a little bit of sunshine to dry some things out, and it's time to clean up. I've got a little bit of mess scattered all around, so I'm gonna try to get it cleaned up and get rid of some of the bark and the chips that I've created from splitting, and some of this doty and knotty wood here that's just not good for anything, and some of these bigger chunks that are just, the crotches and pieces that I don't really want to fool with. But yeah, the doty wood, if punky wood, we'll call it that. Most people call it punky, doty. It's about the same. It's just kind of rotten in the center. But if we had a boiler or something, I'd probably save that and just chunk it in it. But without a boiler, I'm just gonna get rid of it and not fool with it. So, and I've got some more pieces over here that kind of the same way, just small and not really desirable for anything. So get rid of those and just kind of clean up some of my log piles I've got scattered around, and take the landscape rake and go around and just clean everything up. Like I said, while it's dry and good weather, that's what we're going to try to do. I'll probably end up putting most of it in the dump truck, and there's a place about, 5 miles down the road that people take wood there and then kind of dump it, and they just keep pushing it back in a pile, and it's just a lot of waste, which works out good for me. So I'll take that down there and dump it, and then get this cleaned up a little bit and get ready for the next phase of splitting and logs and everything else we're going to bring in here. So I hope you stick around. Let's get cleaning up. All right, so I think I've got everything where I wanted to get it. I put the bucket on the tractor and put the landscape rake on the back. So I'm gonna go around through here and try to rake up some of the debris and everything, and then work on getting this pile right here and get it in the dump truck. And then after that, probably drag everything good with the drag just to clean it up good. So let's see if we can get this stuff up right here. Hopefully we can get in the dump truck. I've just about got it full, but we'll see what happens. Hang tight. All right, that was something that was much needed. And like I said, it's been several weeks since it was dry enough to even attempt to do this, but I think we hit it just right today as far as being dry. Got everything dressed up good, everything smoothed out. Got this pile of logs put all together where I want it. Got a few red oak, hickory, and the rest of it is maple. Got all of the junk stuff that I wanted to get gone picked up. Got a few of my totes moved back over here. I've still got several more over there in the really direct sun. It doesn't get full sun over here, which I found out last year. So I started putting some of my crates and baskets over there in the really direct sunlight. But yeah, everything cleaned up really well. Still got this low spot right here that I'm trying to build up as much as I can. I'd like to get a big load of wood chips to put right here. I think it would help it and keep the mud down. But yeah, the little drag we use for the pasture fields really done this right after knocking all the big stuff down with the landscape rake. I sure do wish that it was time to sow grass. I'd just go ahead and sow all this and then run back over it again with the drag and seed it all in. But we're not quite there yet. this weather we're having right now sure does feel like spring, and it makes me think spring, but we're not there yet on grass seed, so I pump the brakes a little bit. But I got about all I'm thinking I'm going to be able to get in the dump truck, and then some. It's a full load, so I'll get this tarped and take that down there and dump it, and get rid of all that stuff that's been. All this has really been accumulating, honestly, since probably last fall, I guess. So it was way overdue. But anyway, I appreciate y'all sticking around here to the end if you did. And I hope you enjoyed the content today. I know it was not a lot related to actually cutting wood or anything, but I sure did get a lot done. And I feel a lot better about the wood yard and my lot over here. So, all right, we'll catch you on the next one. We'll see you.